Hello, friends! It's always the perfect time to show some appreciation and kindness to your best friends. So today we're going to show you how to make a super cute homemade picture frame using colorful tissue paper. Frame your favorite photo of you and your BFF or a kind note to create the perfect gift. Here's what you'll need: tissue paper, a plain photo frame, Mod Podge, and a paintbrush. For extra decoration, we also printed out some of our favorite Sanrio characters. Now let's get started! Tear the tissue paper into small pieces. It doesn't have to be perfect, so have fun with this. Paint a layer of Mod Podge and then press a piece of tissue paper into place like this. It's okay to completely cover the frame or have the original frame show through. Repeat this process all the way around, one section at a time. Now let's add the Sanrio characters. Oh, look at all our friends! Paint a layer of Mod Podge over the entire frame to seal everything together. You can make a frame for all your best friends using whatever you have at home. You can use scraps of paper, stickers, drawings, or frames in other shapes. And since Hello Kitty loves being kind to her friends, we're going to send this adorable Hello Kitty greeting card with the frame. These cards are so cute! They're worth framing. Include a silly note to your friend using this adorable Hello Kitty mascot pen. Aw, she's holding a tiny milk bottle. We're going to send one card to My Melody and one to Mimi, since Hello Kitty has more than one best friend. Aw, look at how cute they look. Your BFF is going to love this gift. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. See you next time!